Welcome, future healthcare heroes. If you're gearing up for the OET Writing Test, we've got the ultimate survival guide for you. These strategies are not just essential, they're your secret weapons for exam day success. Here's the game plan. Reading time is gold. You've got 5 minutes of reading time before the 40 minutes of writing begins. Think of it as the calm before the storm. Use it to dissect the task, hunt down the key information, and hatch your plan like a pro. Time Management 101. Keep an eye on the clock like it's the last season of your favorite show. Make sure every part of your letter gets its moment in the spotlight, and don't leave all the action for the last 5 minutes. APPPIRS to the rescue. No, it's not a new app. APPPIRS stands for address, person, patient, purpose, information, request, and sign off. This is your secret formula to keeping your letter organized and professional. Say no to irrelevant details. Just like you wouldn't bring a cookbook to a rock concert, don't include unnecessary information. Stick to the point and make sure every sentence counts. Speak the language of healthcare. Use clear, formal, and concise language that any healthcare professional would understand. Leave the slang at home, but don't forget your charm. Proofread like a detective. Channel your inner Sherlock and spend a few minutes proofreading. Check for those pesky grammar and spelling errors. Make sure your letter is as smooth as your favorite latte. Remember, the goal is to create a letter that reads like it was written by a seasoned professional. With these strategies, you'll be writing like a healthcare hero in no time.